is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I talk about frugal living, fitness, motivation, and minimalism. So, I'm starting this plan tomorrow called Optavia, Optavia, Yes, I think that's it. Optavia. I just got a box in the mail, and in this video I'm going to go through the unboxing of what is in my first week's box. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got peanut butter shake mix, cinnamon sugar sticks, caramel delight crisp bar, creamy double peanut butter crisp bar, chocolate mint cookie crisp bar, decadent chocolate brownie mix, chocolate fudge pudding mix, rustic tomato herb penne, chocolate fudge pudding mix again. I got 2 of those. Wild rice chicken flavored soup mix, rustic tomato herb penne. Guess I got 2 of those. Hope I like it. Creamy buttermilk cheddar mac. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Red bean and vegetable chili mix. Smoky barbecue crunchers. And red berry crunchy O's cereal. That is what I got in my box. So you can also get all those books and guides. I don't remember being prompted to get those books, but I'm sure it's an option to order them when you order your first box of meals or fuelings. And I don't know if they cost money if you order them. I assume they do, but when you get your coach, which I learned that you need one recently, your coach sends you all that stuff for free. So I don't think you need all those hard book covers and guides. You can, they'll email them to you and you can print them out, and they're exactly the same as whatever the hard copy is. So if you're unfamiliar with the Optavia diet, it's basically less calories, so between like 800 and 1,000 calories a day. And the plan I'm on is the 5-in-1. So I'm going to eat 5 of these fuelings every 2.5 to 3 hours, and then 1 meal a day is going to be a lean and green. And I can talk about this in another video, but a lean and green is basically just a protein, a vegetable, and a healthy fat, depending on how lean your protein is. So depending on your protein, that'll drive and determine if you get a healthy fat and how many of those you get, how many servings. So in addition to the fuelings, I can have optional snacks throughout the day, and there's a really specific list of that. One of the snacks that I'll probably do are the pickle spares. So I can have up to 2 pickle spares as a snack throughout the day. I don't have to do it, but it's optional. And then I can have up to 3 condiments throughout the day. In addition to that, I can have up to 3 condiments a day, and those are basically seasonings and sauces. The healthy fats are basically avocados, cheeses, the dairy products. The reason I started this journey, the reason I'm starting it, is because I've kind of hit a plateau with the baby weight, the metabolism, the age, the motivation, and what was working for me 4 years ago is not working for me now. So I need to change it up, and I'm currently at a plateau of 180 pounds, and before I had a baby, my regulated weight was 160. So my goal weight would be to get back to 150. I remember being in the 150s in my basic military training 15 years ago. I remember being hungry all the time, but I remember being like, I felt really healthy and really in shape at that time. And the other time I felt that like healthy and fit was in 2014, 2015. I felt like I was really in that healthy, fitnessy phase, and I think I was about 155 at that time too. So I would love to get back to that range and just be a lot healthier and a lot more fit. So I have a fitness test in about 60 days, and I really want to make sure I'm ready for that. This program, it's not, you may hear like negative things about it, and I haven't made an honest final opinion about the program yet, but I will say that this is not a lifestyle change. It's a way to like drop weight quickly, but what happens is once you drop, and I'm not a fitness expert or a nutritionist, this is just what I gather from listening to those people, is it alters your metabolism. So because of that, Optavia has a transition plan. So once you drop to a healthy weight, they have these transition plans to get you back to eating, healthy foods, normal foods, but like a more healthy amount of calories. This is very low calories, but it's a temporary thing. Definitely talk to your doctor about starting a plan like this. Definitely if you have any medical issues. Again, not a consultation, just a conversation. That's what one of the YouTube people I listen to talk about. I'll link her below. I don't remember her name. She's really cool. So anyway, like I mentioned, I'm at 180 right now, and then a week from tomorrow, I'm starting the plan tomorrow, Wednesday, February 15th, and then a week from that, I'll do a weigh-in and see how much I weighed. Friday, we're going out, the boyfriend and I, but when you eat out, you can do your lean and green when you go somewhere to eat out. So that's my plan for that. So my plan is I'm gonna have my lean and green cheat sheet, so it can tell me like what proteins I can have, what vegetables I can have, and what healthy fats I can have based on the protein I choose. So I'm gonna bring that with me, and it should go fine. But that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.